Good morning, students. These days we are doing model test paper, and in model test paper we have solved section A, B and C. Section A your reading section, B your writing, and section C is your grammar section. And today it is the turn of your section D, that is your literature section. And the literature section you have 3 questions. One is your scene passage, another is your scene poem, and the third one is your question answers. So let us see what is the passage. I said, couldn't you describe the kind of shoe? Form and seer information. It is a lady's shoe. It is young lady's walking shoe. It is in the present mode. I never saw the mode. I had a pattern in my mind. He glanced at the shoe with some little passing touch of pride. And the maker's name, said Defarge, now that he had no work to hold. So this is the passage. Now see the questions. The questions are, you have to name the chapter, and the chapter is shoemaker. Then the name of the writer. Then the third one is, whose shoe was it? It was a lady's shoe. Then what was the mode of the shoe? It was a present mode, that in the shoe was there. Then the third question is, who is he in the passage? He has been described in the passage. Then who is he? He is the shoemaker. He has been used for the shoemaker. So it is your question number 1, that is your scene passage. The second one is your scene poem. You have to read the stanza. The birds around me hopped and played, their thoughts I cannot measure, but the least motion which they made, it seemed a thrill of pleasure. The budding twigs spread out their fun to catch the breezy air, and I must think, do I can, that there was pleasure there. So scene poem. So first of all, what is the name of the poem? Then name of the poet. So can you recognize the poem? What is the name of the poem? See, it is Lines Written in the Early Spring, and the poet is William Wordsworth. Lines Written in the Early Spring, and the poet is Wordsworth. Then what did the birds do? Birds, what are the birds doing? They were hopped and played. The birds around me hopped and played. What couldn't we measure? Their thoughts. The thoughts of the birds couldn't be measured. What spread out their fan? What are the things? The budding twigs. The budding sweets spread out their fan. So these are the questions of the poem. And now see, answer the following questions. 7 questions have been given to you, and you have to answer the questions. So the first question is, who is Atticus Finch? Atticus Finch is a lawyer and Scouts and Jem's father. How can we say that Atticus relieved after the man's left? So we can say that Atticus relieved after the man's left because he wiped his face with a hanky. How does the club look like? The club looks like the Rounders ball. Name some items the children found in the sand. Cork, pin, and other items, collar. So these were the things they were found there. What was the disease Lady Macbeth suffering from? We have to tell the disease. So Lady Macbeth was suffering from the disease walking during the sleep, walking during the sleep, and washing her hands again and again, rubbing her hands again and again. Then why was Kabir nervous when it was his turn to speak? So Kabir was nervous because he was not accustomed to speak in front of the whole class. He was not used to speak before the whole class. Who is the writer of the poem? If you have to find out the name of the writer and then you have to write. So the answer is Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling. So it's over. Your section D. So all of you solve the section D and all the MTP. Complete MTP you make PDF. Solve the complete MTP. Make its PDF. And then you submit in the classroom. So I hope you will be able to solve and you will not feel any problem in that. So bye students. Please complete your work and submit.